Hello everyone, this is the Appery team, and in our last video, we showed how to integrate the app with ChatGPT-4o using our platform as a no-code editor. In this video, we will demonstrate integrating the same functionality using a similar approach but with a low-code environment. This means that only minimum code will be used to implement the ChatGPT functionality for more complex integrations. First, let's create a new app. Add the necessary OpenAI key that can be obtained from the OpenAI portal to the settings service, just like we did before. Note that any application will automatically gain access to the OpenAI object after the OpenAI API key is specified in the settings service. If interested, you can learn more in our documentation. Now, open Screen 1 and create the same UI by dragging the following components to the page. Text area for entering questions. Button for triggering the function named process that will process these questions. And text for showing text responses from ChatGPT. Next, we need to decide how we want our code to access the input and display the output. For this, we can use either local or global variables. Let's go with this second option. All global variables are accessed by using the $v variable. So let's define the text area ng model value as $v question. And if you remember from the previous video, we set our no-code app to receive the output as an array, not a string. For this app, to arrange for it, click the text component and add the ng for attribute to iterate over and display the items. We also need to define what is to be returned. Actually, this is our variable. Last, set the text in editor field to, for example, food1. This way, the UI looks more appealing in the editor without breaking the app UI. It's now time to set up the process function. Open code, functions, add it, and make sure it is set as an async method. Now, let's define this process method with the code. We will use the OpenAI object to send the request and receive an array of strings in our response. The first parameter is our question. Here, we will use our variable $v question. We also need an array of strings to be returned, so let's define the second parameter in our code, format. To finish, let's add a loading indicator before sending the request, and remove it after receiving the response. Ready. Now, click to test the app. Enter a query, press the button, and see the output from ChatGPT. I hope this video was interesting. Please subscribe to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.